The best part is, I originally ordered, kasi ang mumura lang nila, Hi guys, Razel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have some stuff to show you guys. I have some fidget spinners, I have contact lenses, I have clothes na I got recently, and I'm so excited to show you guys the fidget spinners. Siguro hindi na uso yung fidget spinners, but I got these, I think, 3 weeks ago. Ngayon ko lang siya na-film kasi ayoko naman na fidget spinners lang lahat. So, hinintay ko na meron pa akong madagdag sa haul before ko siya na-film. Pasensya na kung ang gulo-gulo ng buhok ko. We went to watch football and hindi ko inayos yung buhok ko kanina at all kasi nag-beanie ako. So, yun. Anyway, yung mga fidget spinners, guys, I got from Taobao.com. Taobao is a huge like shopping website sa China and lahat Chinese. Ang hirap mag-order doon kasi kailangan ko pa i-translate yung page. Doon ako nag-order kasi sobrang mumura lang, and I use the Yoibai shipping service as well because Yoibai contacted me and asked me if I want to try their service, and I was like, yeah. And naisip ko, wow, fidget spinners, uso yung fidget spinners, at sobrang mura lang ng fidget spinners dun sa Taobao website. So I tried the Yoibai service. I'm not sure if nagsiship yung Taobao sa Australia talaga, but Yoibai is basically a company that helps you ship your item from China if that specific website or company does not ship to your country. So yeah, kung saan man kayo and hindi nagsiship yung company sa China dun sa lugar nyo, then Yoibai can help you with that. So basically, you will sign up sa Yoibai and then they will give you your own address, and yun yung address na gagamitin mo when you order sa Taobao or kahit na anong website sa China, and that's what I used. I will leave the link of Yoibai below if you guys are interested. Kasi sobrang mumura sa China, diba? I got, I think, almost 10 or maybe, I think 9 or 10 fidget spinners here. First one is this one, you guys. No, I can't say it's rose gold. Paano lang siya? Parang metallic lavendery pink na shade. And ito yung actually isa sa mga paborito ko dito. I got fidget spinners kasi Seda gusto niya ng fidget spinner, and then one time we went to the mall. I actually vlogged that, and gusto niya bumili, kaya lang sabi niya ayoko, ang mahal daw, namamahalan siya. So when Yoibai contacted me, I thought of fidget spinner right away. So I got heaps of fidget spinners. Sobrang mumura lang kasi dun, guys. Like sobrang mumura lang talaga, especially sa Taobao website. So this is what this one looks like. And this one is very, very light. Akala mo, like kung titingnan mo siya, akala mo it's parang mabigat. Hindi siya mabigat. Ano siya, metallic siya tingnan. Pero kapag nahawakan mo na siya, it's very plasticky. But it looks nice, and it's very, very light, very girly as well. And the next one is this one. Ito isa sa mga paborito ni Dan. This one is one of the heavier ones in here. And maganda to, guys. Sobrang tagal niya natatapos mag-spin. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig mag-spin. I'm not obsessed with fidget spinners. Like, ano nagagawa ng fidget spinner? Bakit na-addict yung ibang tao? Like, ito, like, ano, hindi ko alam. Yung mga kasama ko sa trabaho, they have fidget spinners. And, like, addict na addict sila, guys. Meron talaga, addict na addict sila. Meron talaga silang fidget spinner. Tapos, like, ginagaganon, parang. And then I tried it myself. I was like, okay, parang wala akong satisfaction na kukuha fidgeting. I don't know. Actually, plano ko na ibigay sa anak ng kasama ko sa trabaho kasi yung bata, gustong-gusto ng mga fidget spinners. And sabi ko, meron akong fidget spinners, i-feature ko muna siya sa haul ko tapos bigay ko agad-agad sa iyo. Next one is this one. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung kulay niya, but ganyan yung kulay niya. Meron siyang mga metal dito. And then itong green part at saka the red part is plastic, like plastic. So yeah, ooh, that looks cool. Meron siyang, naririnig niyo ba? Meron siyang pa-sound effect. This very basic looking one. So instead of ito na merong 5, ito 3 lang siya. Tapos meron din siyang metallic ball sa gitna ng ano niya, mga kamay-kamay niya. And very, very plastic din siya. Like, sobrang gaan. Pero okay siya, ha? Now, excited ako dito kasi it lights up. Can you guys see that? Pero hindi lahat nagla-light up. Ito lang, sira siya. Dito, hindi. Dito din, hindi. Cool na cool sana to sa gabi. kasi it lights up. Kaya lang hindi nagla-light up lahat. This one is plastic as well. Okay, this one, hindi ko pa ito na-try. Batman. Batman yan. Oh, diba? Ganyan yung kulay niya. And plastic yung neon na part. Tapos ito metal. And then, ganyan lang siya. Wala lang, okay lang siya. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung fidget, guys. Like, anong ganap na fidget mo? Okay, ito yung best 2 para sa akin. Oh, I like it. I'm gonna start with this. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko kasi maliit lang siya. I really, really like the color. Ano siya? Medyo very muted na pink. It looks really cute. Maliit siya, guys, ha? And it's very, very light. Isa din to sa mga paborito ni Dan. It's gold and it's heavy, guys. Yung gitna, plastic yung gitna. Pero ito metal. And it's heavy. Aray. I really like it. Ang sobrang ganda ng kulay niya. Gold. And sobrang ganda niya mag-spin. Meron siyang sound effect na bet ko. Can you guys hear that? Ito at saka ito. Mas mabigat to kaysa dito. Pero I think ito yung pipiliin na Dan. Tapos the rest ibibigay ko sa anak ng ka-workmate ko. Alright, so next is mga contacts. Guys, meron ako nahanap na website na sobrang mura lang ng mga contacts. Hindi naman as in sobrang mura. Pero sa lahat ng nakita ko na website, ito yung pinakamura. Especially sa website na nagsiship internationally. And they ship internationally. I got the package in less than a week. I paid, I think, $6.99 for shipping. But it was express. So, para sa akin, okay na okay lang. And ito pa, guys. The best part is I originally ordered only 2 items. I got 5 because meron silang mga sale na if you buy this, you will get 1 free. And then sa purchase ko pa, meron pang free na contacts na hindi ko alam kung ano ibibigay nila. The name of the website is honeycolor.com. I think it is honeycolor.com. Pero wait, pakita ko muna sa inyo. So this is the box. It looks really cute. And when you open it, I was so excited when I opened it, guys. So I got 5 boxes of contact lenses, right? 5 pairs. They gave me 5 free contact lenses case. And look how cute. Sobrang cute nito. Iba-ibang kulay pa yung binigay nila. I think it's a pig. Is that? What is that? Tenga ba yan? Is it a pig? I'm not quite sure. Pero meron ako ng gray, lavender, blue, yellow, and last one is the pink one. So, I'm assuming if you order 1, you will get 1 of this for free. Okay, ito na, guys. So, I have 5 in here. Ito yung free na binigay nila sa akin. So, for every purchase, you will get 1 pair of surprise contact lens. So, hindi mo mapipili yung free na yun. It's black, which hindi ko masyadong prefer yung black na contact lens. Pero, mag-i-inerte pa ba ako? Free na nga siya. Babe! Can you give me my battery, please? It's dying. It's just on the table. Thank you! Ito yung brand niya, guys. HC. So, ano siya, honeycolor.com yung website. And siguro home brand nila to. Honeycolor yung brand eh. They sent me the Neo Cosmo. Ano ba? HC or Neo Cosmo yung brand? Dolly extra size na contact. So, it's in black. They call it extra size, pero 14.2 naman yung diameter niya. So, it's something na I can wear, but I'm not quite sure about the color kasi it's black. And, yeah. So, ganyan siya. And, there. That's the contacts right there. Hindi naman siya like full-on black. Meron siyang mga dots-dots ng clear. So, sana hindi siya ganun ka-vavavong tingnan sa mata ko. I have tried black. I'm not a big fan of black na contacts. Pero sometimes talaga, kung wala ka na talagang choice, like naubusan na ako ng contacts noon, I had to wear it. Oh, so, when I went to Honeycolor, I checked the clearance section or sale section. That's what I always do, guys. Kapag nag-online shop ako, I always check the clearance section. Bakit nag-iba yung lighting? Nag-iba yung itsura ko. And itong brand na to, meron siyang buy one, get one free. And yung maganda pa is mapipili mo kung ano yung shade ng free mo. I'm actually wearing one right now. I'm not sure if you can tell. By the way, this is the Basics. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it's Basics. This one is good for 1 month. The one I'm wearing right now is the shade Innocent Brown. So, ang gusto ko sa kanya is nasa very outer corner lang yung brown niya. So, the rest or majority ng part ng contacts niya clear. So, hindi siya ganun kabababo. So, the free item that I got is same brand, Basics. And this one is in the shade Dazzling Choco. It looks like that. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. So, I think this one will look more natural sa eyes ko kasi mas dark yung brown niya. Okay, next to ito, buy one, get one free din siya, guys. So, I have the signature. I'm not sure kung magugustuhan ko to kasi very light nung shade niya. I got the Paris Brown and this is good for 1 month as well. Look how light the brown is. Like, I'm not sure how that will look like kapag nalagay ko na siya sa mata ko. But that's very, very light. The free item that I got is the shade Gray. Because gusto ko lang siyang itry. I don't wear like mga green, blue, gray. Yung sa akin lang talaga, hazel, brown. Hala! Yung mukha ko, bakit naman red? Ayoko naman na dalawang brown yung kunin ko. Lalo na kapag hindi ko sure na magugustuhan ko siya. So, the freebie, I went for the gray. And you can't even see it because it's very, very light. I think it's right there. Where is it? Basta guys, hindi siya makita kasi it's very, very light. Asan siya? It's right there in the middle. No, I don't know. Hindi ko siya makita sa screen. Pero in person nakikita ko siya. It's very light. I'm not sure kung anong magiging itsura ko niyan. Para siguro akong ano, meow meow. And then sa box nila, meron silang kasamang mga info cards dito. honeycolor.com. And then meron pa siyang sticker na kasama. Keep calm and put contacts on. And meron akong ano dito, code. $5 discount on your next purchase. May free na, may $5 discount pa ako. Okay, so onto the clothes that I got from Rose Gal. This time, I got clothes for Dan as well. So, hindi lang siya para sa akin. First one is this, ano ba tawag dito? Trouser? Hindi ko alam. Yung parang ano siya, guys? Pang takbo ni Dan. I don't think he will wear it though kasi hindi na naman siya tumatakbo. But yeah, it's that. And maganda yung quality nandito na actually. It's not bad at all. Hindi ko lang bet yung colors niya, red at saka blue at saka white. Pero okay na, wala na tayong magawa. It's a jumper. And I got it because it's a lemon. It's so cute. Like white lang siya, tapos meron siyang lemon dyan. And yeah, meron pa siyang paslit-slit dyan sa harap. And it's just plain white. I cannot wait to wear it. Ano na, nilabhan ko na tong mga to kasi mabaho sila yung dumating sila as usual. This one, I'm so excited to wear as well because, I don't know, I'm really into skulls. Like sugar skull, mga ganon. And this one has the skull print in front. Merong heart yung mata niya. It's just gray. And it's long. So, meron siyang pa-high-low na ganap dyan. This one I got for Dan. And it says animal. Unfortunately, maliit siya kay Dan. This is large, but this is no way like large. Totoong large. I think this is a medium. And hindi siya kasya kay Dan. Yeah, ibibigay ko lang siya sa kapatid ko. Ito pang takbo-takbo niya din. Pero hindi ko alam kung gagamitin niya to at all. Pero this one is very good quality. It's like a workout na hoodie, guys. And sobrang ganda ng quality nito. Ganyan lang yung itsura niya. Meron siyang 04 sa harap. And the print of 04, maganda siya, guys, in fairness. And then sa likod, meron din siyang malaking 04. And I like the color. Tapos meron siyang string dito na naka-attach sa hood. Or dito sa hood na part. And then meron siyang zippered na pockets. I like it. So, kapag you know, tumatakbo-takbo ka, ilagay mo yung phone mo dyan. Perfect na perfect. Next one is a very thick jumper. It looks like this. So, yung ano niya, tela niya, ganyan. Knitted. Oh, knit. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Tama ba yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito? But the color looks like that. Parang beige. May pagka-oatmeal na ganap. It's very thick. Ano siya? Medyo may pagka-turtleneck na medyo hindi masyado. And it's a long jumper as well. I feel like it's gonna be... That's heavy, that one. Ooh. Okay, ito. Gusto ko to, guys. Very thin na jumper, but I really like the color. Dark green. Really dark. Very ano nga lang siya. Very manipis. Ano siya? Para siyang, baho niya. Nilaban na kita. Para siyang ginanchilyo, sa likod. So, ano siya, hindi siya pang malamig. Pero gusto ko yung sleeve na part niya, na parang ano lang, napaka-chill lang niya tingnan. It's kind of like the same sleeve as my jumper that I'm wearing right now. But yeah, that's that. And then the last one from Rose Gal and the last one sa haul na to is ito. Pineapple pillowcase. Wala na kaming extra na pillow. Kasi dalawa lang yung pillow namin sa lounge. Sabi doon, bilhan natin ng pillow yung pineapple mo. Nakakaloka naman yan. But yeah, I got that. And, ang ganda niya guys, diba? So, yun na yung lahat. I will leave the links of the Rose Gal stuff that I got below. I will leave the link of the Honey Collar website as well as the yoybuy.com that I used to order the stuff from Taobao. So, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wala pala ako kung anik-anik sa background ko kasi nagligpit ako guys and hindi ko pa sila nabalik. I was thinking of like revamping my room dito pero I'm not sure if I will have time to do that at all. Pero naligpit ko na siya. I don't know. Pero yun na yung video ko. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please hit the notification bell below as well if you want to be notified sa mga susunod kong video. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, goodbye.